We are studying BW. First of all, in this class, I explained you BW. After that, see, firstly, you learned SAP BW. What was it? SAP BW means SAP BW means what? SAP BW means data warehousing. Okay, data warehousing and and RDBMS is used for storage. Storage means background. Normally, Oracle was using uh, for storage under the warehouse like that. The first layer,
Before Hana
the
was there,
first layer,
Oracle was used here.
yes. Firstly, it was Oracle, and after that, SAP BW application. Okay, SAP BW application works on NetWeaver. NetWeaver. So, but the problem was application was very slow. The performance speed was very slow due to database, due to due to other databases. Now, and and it was the first problem. Second problem was no real time reporting, no real time reporting. After that, SAP SAP HANA.
But
SAP
still some
HANA
company
means
are using Oracle, isn't it, sir?
yes.
Still some company are
There
using
are
Oracles.
yes. So many companies are using Oracle right now. So many. See, in the current scenario, I explained you. You are right. You are right. In the current scenario, uh, many companies are using Oracle, or even some companies are using MS SQL also. Also, as a separate, as a individual OLTP, indivi, individual OLTP, or uh, as a background storage of SAP BW. But these companies wants to migrate into HANA systems. HANA system is HDD. HANA systems into HANA systems means HDD plus analytical abilities plus BW. Okay, but in HANA it is uh, it has HDD. HDD means in memory, in-memory database. Secondly, it has analytical ability. Example, on-the-fly reporting. On-the-fly reporting using OLAP views. Using OLAP views like calculation view, attribute view, like that. Fine.
Mhm.
But the problem is it has no data warehouse, no analytical data storage.
There are no OLAP.
So we should use BW on HANA. BW on HANA means BW on HANA means the background is HDB and BW and HANA Studio.
You mean the database
It
is in
means
HANA?
oh, HANA HANA application.
Designing will be done in the HANA Studio and BW, sir.
Hmm. BW is still data warehouse application.
Okay.
It's a data warehouse application. It's a HANA application, and we use HANA Studio for both HANA application using BW application using BW objects also. BW objects means cubes, PSO, virtual provider, info objects. So now I am explaining you why we use BW. The drawbacks of BW is no real-time reporting, implementing structural changes, report performance, and compatibility. There are, if you read on the net, na, you will find more options also. Performance is no real-time reporting, compatibility issues. There are so many things. But with the SAP BW on HANA is extremely fast. You know, uh, uh, Procter and Gamble company.
Mhm.
Procter and Gamble. Example: Procter and Gamble has adopted to SAP BW, and the performance is very fast. The Procter and Gamble says the data loading speed is 400% more faster. Adidas, you know Adidas company.
Mhm.
Adidas and Procter and Gamble are successfully implemented. Adidas and Procter in India, Procter and Gamble is a very big company. Procter and Gamble is a very big company. Successfully implemented BW on HANA and 400% more faster. That's it. Now,
So what is the difference in BW
now
on HANA and HANA? Because some people are taking training in HANA. Yeah, some people take BW on HANA.
Hmm.
So it means more in
See,
BW on HANA.
you see, before BW on HANA, we should learn BW,
Mm-hmm.
after that HANA, and after that BW on HANA. I am explaining you, na, BW, the problem is no real time, performance is slow, it's a warehousing, and in the HANA there is no warehouse, only views, only views, fine,
Mm-hmm.
only views in memory database. But when we want to storage, so we should use BW on HANA, means using using BW objects into HANA environment.
But you are saying that
It is
we can say store in the BW, but HANA itself is a database here in which we can store the data.
see, BW can't save any object. BW is an application.
Yeah.
See, every time I'm saying you, this is a BW application,
Mm-hmm.
and all objects of the BW save in Oracle.
Before.
But before
Mm-hmm.
earlier days, but now the all objects save in the HDB.
Okay.
So all objects save in the HDB means, but the BW objects means BW objects also save in the HDB.
Mm-hmm.
Not in the HDB. You can say here. You can say database or data warehouse. This is also not HDB HANA.
Hello. Hello.
Layered scaled architecture LSA. SAP BW LSA makes it more robust, flexible, scalable solution. Actually, I'm explaining you now. We are following the one model. We are following the one model. HANA, HANA, and after that there is a BW. Upside of HANA there is a data management. Upper side of data management is scheduling and monitoring. Scheduling and monitoring. Monitoring. Upside is ETL. Similarly, ETL stands for data modeling. ETL means data modeling. You can say data modeling. Scheduling and monitoring means OLAP. And data management is planning. So we use these. There are several layers. Several layers. There are several layers in BW on HANA.
So what about the above
These
one,
are
sir?
four layers. Hmm?
Above one, you
This is
said
the ETL
HANA,
and model.
BW, and HANA Studio.
Yes, this is a simple format. This is a simple way, and it is according to LSA. It is known as LSA. I'm explaining you several layers is called LSA. Have you heard about LSA?
No, what is the full form, sir? Stand
This
for
is
abbreviation.
LSA means layered, scalable architecture. These are four layers. Below are four layers.
Four layer of LSA.
Yes.
So what is the difference in LSA and LSA plus plus? That is also a layer.
LSA++, see, when BW is implemented on SAP HANA, you can create a different LSA, which is more dependent on virtual objects. This is known as a LSA++. LSA++ has some more extra layers. BW virtual data layers. You can remember here LSA++ means LSA++ means LSA++ means add more add more add virtual objects in add virtual objects. It means in the simple language, when simple language means uh, we can use BW objects with OLAP views. It is called LSA++.
Okay. So it
Got
means
it?
something like
Means
if I create
advanced.
any cube or something in the BW and I can use in the OLAP view like attribute or analytical or
Yes,
calculation
Hana.
view.
Yes. It is the example of virtual data mart. Okay. But the main important thing is I want to explain you some important things. Mm, hold the data. Just 1 minute. Okay. In the practical session, I just start some practical session for you, and after that, you can do some practicals here. Start Hana Studio. Start the Hana Studio. After that, it is opening. I will just explain you how we can use BW on HANA.
So do you have the student from other country as well, or all are other are from India only?
Which one? Which?
All other students are from only India?
What is? All other students. Oh,
Yeah.
so many Canadian students. Canadian. Most of the time, I have Indian students, Canadian students, and USA students.
Okay.
And in the Canada, there are so many South Indian students. My
South
last
India.
student was Vijay Villaturi something
From South India.
was there. Hmm.
So he was doing training on.
Hmm.
You are also on the same module, SAP.
Same modules. Actually, one-to-one training should be very good. I have lots of the things to explain, but online we can't explain so many things.
Why, sir?
It's a very long. Okay, anyway, but I am explaining you very deeply. See, I am explaining you from the very beginning. Normally, you are here, okay, in the HANA modular system.
Okay.
Normally, you are here. And in this HANA Studio, you learned how to create schemas, create packages, views, analytical view, calculation view, and attribute view. Right now, if you want to start BW on HANA, then just click on it. BW modular perspective. If it is not available, you can just open perspectives, choose BW modeling. This is BW modeling. Here you can create new BW project. You can choose BW or ECC.
So which one you need to
I
choose?
want to select BW. We should select BW, and you should
And when
connect.
to select ECC, sir?
No, we are not selecting ECC.
Okay. Who is selecting, sir?
Normally, we all, yes, because we are modelers, na.
Yeah. So I just
Modelers
asked.
select. If you want, if you are a ABAP programmer, you
Then
want to
is
use ECC means ABAPer. If you are from sales, purchase, and finance person, then you should choose ABAP.
okay.
Sorry, you should choose ECC.
So if I need to
And
drag a
after that,
data from sales, then I need to open ECC.
no. No, you are an analytical person. Your view is just to fetch the data from SD. But I am saying, if you are if you want to do finance operations, you
Yeah.
want sale operation, then you should use ECC.
Okay.
Not to fetch data, operations means finance sale operation. So you just enter here name of the project. You can enter here any name. You can enter here any name, finish, and you just put password here. Now it is connected. When it will be connected, then you can see here is BW repository is there. BW repository means all objects of BW you can access here. But you cannot access HANA objects, HANA schemas
Yeah.
in this project. If you want to access HANA objects, just right click on your project, attach SAP HANA system, HANA instance. Right now you can see HANA system library is there.
So it will always show, yeah, but when I click right click.
No, we just attach and after that it will show.
If the no no no, if the option is not
This
available attached, then where I need to contact admin?
attach option always be there. It will always be there. Yes, if it is not available, you can connect with admin because there is so much settings. So many settings are there in the background. But we are very lucky in this system it is working properly. So here is HANA system, BW system. You can open BW. You can even, in fact, this is outline. You can see here, this is info providers. If you select something, you can select any info area. You can select any info area, which is your, suppose this is your info area. You can select your info area under the info area or under your project. You can create, you can create info object, ODS. ODS means data store object. ODS
DSO.
means data store object old version. The new version is this advanced.
New version is
The
ODS
old
or
version,
old version is DSO, sir?
no, ODS is old.
Okay, new version is
ODS
DSO.
view. Yes, this is advanced DSO.
So what is the difference between this one and the old one, the which we have done in the BW?
But here is view. But here is view. View is advanced.
Okay.
Simple ODS is old one.
Mm-hmm.
View is advanced.
Mm-hmm.
Data source object is advanced. Composite providers are there. Data flow. Okay, if you want to create info object, suppose you just create here your. This is a BW project name, and suppose your info object name is VID info object. Suppose VID info object. I'm just creating for reference and just click on finish. Then it will be create. We can mention here size and all these journal settings. This is a technical name, description. This is a journal explanation.
So in this week we will not create a specific field like we create in the BW.
Same. Similarly, you can create employee ID, employee name, product names,
Where, sir?
everything you can create. Similarly, like that, you
What is
can
this high
create here.
cardinality and case sensitive, sir?
High cardinality means so many n number of entries are there. It is called high cardinality.
Mm-hmm.
High cardinality means number of rows are very high. Cardinal, uh, cardinal, cardinality is related to rows. Example, I am explaining you what is the meaning of cardinality actually. Cardinality means means number of rows. Example, a table has 5 rows. Then cardinality is 5. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
High cardinality means high number of rows.
If there is 100, then
Then
100
you can
cardinality.
choose it
And low case
100
sensitive,
cardinality.
we need to when to select
Case
case sensitive.
case sensitive means if you enter in lower case,
In
then it
table,
store as a lower case. It cannot convert case automatically. Okay, the system, if there is a case sensitive system, system means computer HANA cannot convert case automatically.
okay,
But if there is not case sensitive, then HANA will convert uppercase automatically.
okay. And what is this
Okay,
browse, sir?
and oh, conversion routine. This is conversion routine alpha. Have you remembered in BW?
Mm-hmm.
Every everything is BW. Everything,
No, no,
and
there is a
after
browse.
that
No,
you
browse option is given. That's the reason I just asked.
say similarly BW has also browse option, and in the browse option we can choose alpha,
So,
and after that just activate it.
and
Control
this
F3, same function
attributes
key.
authorization relevant. We need tick there or not, sir? Properties.
Normally it is not tick. These are options. These all options are available in BW also. If you want to create attribute views, attributes, these are all options. Text, and these are, but normally these are unchecked, and just activate it.
Hello,
Activate it.
hello.
Yes, I am activating it. Just click on activate. You can see the screen.
Yeah.
Yes, just 1 minute. It is activating. Yes, now it is activating, and it is successfully activated. Now it is successfully activated. So it means in the one project, under the one project, you can access all BW objects, all HANA objects, and all data sources. The data sources, all data sources are there. It means you can it this is a LSA plus plus architecture. This is a LSA plus plus architecture because under a BW uh, under a BW modeling project, there is a BW repository, means all BW objects. SAP HANA system library means all HANA objects. After that, data source means standard data sources Standard SAP, standard SAP data sources are there.
like
It
2ls.
means yes, these all data sources you can find here, like 800 client. Under this 800 client, you can find SAP. Under the SAP, you can find here some components. This is a SAP component. You can find here sales and distribution. Under sales and distribution, these are, got it?
Mm-hmm.
These are objects you can find. Tools underscore tools underscore VAITM. Tools underscore this is tools underscore VAITM is there. VAHDR is there.
So whatever starts with
It
2ls,
means
2lis, those all are standard DSO. Yeah.
yes. It means I'm explaining you कि this object, this project is very rich for you because all options are there. So you understand what do you mean by BW and HANA?
Mm-hmm. In BW HANA, we can open everything. We can have access of
We
HANA
can
as well as BW as well as
BW
ECC's standard data source.
data sources because these data sources come from 3XE. These data sources come from 3XE, correct extraction.
So, but we don't have to
Okay?
extract. Yeah.
No, no. It means from the 3XE is configured here. After the configuration, you can find all the connections here.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
After configuration, you find all connections, and then you can use them. Okay, fine. So next class we will continue tomorrow. Fine.
Okay. At what time, sir?
So because I want to go tomorrow. Can you do some early?
At what time? Because early
Six.
maximum the same time I can do, sir. Because that what 8 o'clock. My means your 8 o'clock. Sorry, 7:30. That what your 7:30.
Then tomorrow we will do at the evening. Is it possible?
Yeah, evening it's possible. Evening I'm free, totally free. Or we can do one thing,
Tomorrow
sir.
then.
In
Hmm.
the if you say, then we can continue in the morning as well as in the evening. Because although you are free in the morning,
Yes, morning. Tomorrow morning I am not free. I will be in a traveling.
okay, then fine.
Tomorrow morning, uh, tomorrow evening we can start. Even if you want, we can start from 5:30 around. We can start.
Okay, then no issue. Then we can continue
So
for
you
2 hours
should
tomorrow evening. Then 5:30 to.
you should continue practice of these things. So you understand no? What is BW,
Yeah, I understand.
what is HANA, and what is BW on HANA.
Hmm.
Without BW or without HANA, we can't proceed BW on HANA.
So in tomorrow's class, what we'll be doing exactly? We'll be going to create how to create info object, how to create data source, how to create a cube in
Yes.
BW on HANA.
Hmm.
Means whatever we
Yes.
have done in the BW, we'll be just have a look once again in the BW on
Yes.
HANA.
Yes. On BW activities, we
Okay.
will we will do in HANA system. Then you will
Okay.
got the complete idea what is BW on HANA,
Mm-hmm.
and we will finish it. After that, we will start BO, business objects.
Okay. Fine. So, sir,
So
hopefully
fine, we will
we can
continue
cover
in the next.
by next week. If we can continue in the Saturday and Sunday as well, then can we complete by next week? Hello, hello, hello.